What is going on, guys? Greggles TV. I got an email last night from Samsung about the Samsung Galaxy Fold. Now, I still have my pre-order open with them right now. They haven't canceled it. I haven't canceled it either. And we've got some big news on this device. Let's jump right into the email. We're going to talk about things they fixed and also the release date. Here at Gregory at Samsung, we remain focused on pioneering the next generation of mobile innovation, new products and technologies that push the entire industry forward and help users like you do what they can't. Back in May, we reached out to you with an update on your Galaxy Fold order and the progress we were making with enhancements to your new device. Now we're excited to share more details about the optimizations we've made to ensure your new Galaxy Fold meets the high standards you expect and when you can expect to receive it. We've taken the time to fully evaluate the product design, make necessary improvements, and run rigorous tests to validate the changes we made. For more information about these design and construction improvements, please read our blog post on the Samsung Newsroom. Right now, we're in the process of conducting final product tests on these improvements to begin shipping Galaxy Fold in September. As we get closer to the launch, we will send you a firm ship by date for your order. Galaxy Fold is a device long in the making, and we're so grateful for the support and patience we've received from Galaxy fans like you all over the world. We can't wait to deliver it to you soon and share it with everyone. Thank you for your continued loyalty. We couldn't do any of this without you. With appreciation, the Samsung leadership team. Now let's head over to that Samsung Newsroom link. And we'll just jump into the meat of this. It says these design and construction improvements include the top protective layer of the Infinity Flex display has been extended beyond the bezel, making it apparent that it's an integral part of the display structure and not meant to be removed. And that's something that a lot of reviewers are doing, and they're removing that. Looks like they're gonna make that just part of the top protective layer. Galaxy Fold features additional reinforcements to better protect the device from external particles while maintaining its signature foldable design. The top and bottom of the hinge area has been strengthened with newly added protection caps. Additional metal layers underneath the Infinity Flex display have been included to reinforce the protection of the display. The space between the hinge and the body of the Galaxy Fold has been reduced. Along with these improvements, Samsung has been continuously working to improve the overall Galaxy Fold user experience, including optimizing more apps and services for its unique foldable UX. Samsung is conducting final product tests to make Galaxy Fold available to consumers starting in September in select markets. Available details will be shared as we get closer to the launch. So with all that being said by Samsung, this is, I feel like, a blessing in disguise. I think that's the best way to describe that. And it's a blessing in disguise because, one, obviously the product is innovative and exciting, but it probably just wasn't completely ready. You know, they probably did rush it out maybe a few months too early, as you can see from some of the changes and fixes they put in place. Not only is it being fixed physically in terms of, you know, making it more secure, making sure dust particles and people don't take off parts of the device, you know, protective layers of the device that they shouldn't. They're also enhancing and improving the software experience. I know some people would say they would open up the device from it being closed, and that app might take a little bit longer to open, to be at full screen, or wouldn't be fully open when it was full screen. So it's awesome in a way that this stuff is going to be launched day one when this is officially released to the public, so that it's a fully complete product. I think the other part of this, and surprises me, is how soon they're releasing it next to the Galaxy Note launch. We don't officially know what the Note launch is going to be, but most likely it's going to be the end of August. So you're probably looking at that August 23rd deadline of when the Note 10, Note 10 Plus will be released. And then you're probably talking just a couple or a few weeks later, you're gonna have another flagship phone, the Galaxy Fold. So at that point, even though the Galaxy Fold is still going to be a very, very expensive device, so is the Note for that matter. I mean, it's going to be in the low thousands or maybe mid thousands, depending upon which version you get. So at that point, do you want the Fold or do you want the Note? And that'll be my question I leave out to you guys. For me, I'll probably end up getting both devices. I don't need both devices, but I have a tech channel and it's good for the channel anyways. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. New videos every single day. I have a new, I changed up my links down below with a whole new, if you want to support the channel, there's a whole bunch of links down there that will walk you through on how you can help support the channel. So check those out if you have a second, and I'll see you guys down the road. Peace!